Okay, so we're going to talk about single leg squat for a minute. Are you able to perform a single leg squat and keep your knee in line with your hip? For a lot of people, this is really difficult. Some people assume that it always means that your lateral hip muscles, your hip abductors, are weak. But that's not always the case. Sometimes you just have to do something different and see how your body responds and adapts. So, my do something different today is a piece of tape. You can give yourself an external cue, and studies have shown that external cueing actually enhances motor learning and better transferability of that exercise. So, rip a piece of tape off and apply it onto the wall like this, and then that's going to be your target. So your external cue is where you're aiming your knee at that target. So that way it gives you an ability to then line up your knee with the tape as you squat down. I have an example of this that you can see right now with a patient, and to see what it did just by giving her this different cueing mechanism. So you don't always have to try to internally cue yourself or try to fire your own muscles to be able to perform something well.
Regular single leg squat on the right, yeah. Okay, and now focus on the yellow line there.